So let's go ahead and distinguish the difference between relations and functions. Most things you're given are a relation. That just means everything in one set has a relation to something in the other set. So there's something happening between those things. But not everything is a function. So the best example that I like to use of the difference between relations and functions is birthdays. So I made a table here that has some people that has James, Andrew, Sarah, Lee, and then we're just gonna say James' birthday is January 2nd. Andrew's birthday is July 12th. Sarah's birthday is also January 2nd. And Lee's birthday is August 23rd. Okay, so all of these people have a birthday. James's birthday is January 2nd, Andrew's birthday is July 12th, Sarah's birthday is January 2nd, and Lee's birthday is August 23rd. This is a relation because they all have a birthday, and this is also a function because they all just have one birthday. So James and Sarah have the same birthday though. That's allowed. Two people can have the same birthday. That's just fine. But James could not have January 2nd as his birthday and also July 2nd. Okay, he can't have two birthdays. So this is the example I like to think in my head when I'm thinking about functions. Is each person has a birthday. Two people can definitely have the same birthday. There's lots of people out there with the same birthdays. But one person cannot have two birthdays. Yes, I know you have to exclude like some other anomalies like leap years, but one person cannot have two birthdays. And one person also has to have a birthday. Every single person has to have a birthday. So this is the example that I like to think of. So here are some examples. These can be represented in many different ways. You could have a table. You can have a mapping like this. You can have many different ways, but you just have to know that each thing in the first set can only have one birthday on that right-hand side, okay? They cannot have two birthdays, but two people can definitely have the same birthday. So go ahead and try these. See if you think the first one is a function or not and why, and if the second one is a function or not and why. Pause it, try it, see what you think, and then when you unpause, I will give you the answer. So this first one is actually a function, and the reason why is because each person has one birthday. -6 has a birthday, 6 has a birthday, -3 has a birthday, 3 has a birthday, and 0 has a birthday. Nobody has two birthdays. They can have the same birthday. They just can't have two birthdays. So this is a function. Okay, this second one is definitely not a function. And the reason why is this person 0 messes it up. They've got two birthdays. They've got 9 and 0 has a birthday. That cannot happen. This is not a function. And that's it. They can represent these in many different ways, but each thing in the first set or the domain can only go to one value of the second set or the range. Each person in the domain can only have one birthday in the range. If you tell yourself that birthday example in your head every single time, you're not going to get these wrong.